your Omni Demo kit. And you. Your kit contains the following items: 2 pieces of single track, with the screw holes on the outside flanges. 1 piece of double track comprised of a base and cover. 1 double parapet track with a top and bottom. Can be either angled or 90 degrees. 1 parapet single track with holes on the outside mounting flange. Sample color chips for all stock colors. Light strands. 5 of the 5 light and 1 of the single light strings. Signal booster. It looks like a single light, almost. Additional accessories: splitter, power tee, and a female adapter. Extension cables, 3-foot and 10-foot. 1 UFO controller. Sadly, it does not control UFOs. Power supply components: DC cable, power supply, and AC cord. We know you are thinking, wait, that's not the power supply we were taught how to use in class. You would be correct. It helps save a ton of money on the demo kit costs. But don't worry, we got you. Let's hook it up. Pick up the AC power cord. You will notice there are 3 colored wires: black, white, and green. First, loosen all 3 screws on the left-hand side. Take the black wire and tuck it under the screw terminal of the left-hand most screw, the one labeled L, and tighten it down. Repeat the process with the white wire. It will be placed under the screw labeled N. Tighten the screw back down. The last wire on the AC side is the green wire. It goes to the screw with the ground symbol that looks like an upside-down Christmas tree. Place it under the screw and tighten. Your AC side is now wired and should look like this: black is L, white is N, and green is ground. Now let's hook up the DC side. Grab the small pigtail with the barrel connector. The other end has red and black stripped wires. Loosen the screws for one of the V- and V+ terminals. I usually use these 2 because they are close together. Just make sure they are on the right terminals. A crusty old electrician once told me to put the wire on the left-hand side of the screw so they are pulled inward when the screw is tightened. Go ahead and tighten both screws. The completed wiring on the power supply should look like this. Unbox the UFO controller and check for aliens. Then find the single female pigtail. The wire comes from the factory with tiny little exposed wires. Sadly, they have to be stripped back a little farther. Don't be that guy and use your teeth. Make sure the threaded collar hasn't slipped off before proceeding to the next step. Now that the wires are ready, flip the UFO over. You will see a series of 6 screw terminals along the top. V+, data, and ground. Don't worry about the second identical set. First, you have to open the screw terminals. I use a 3mm flat blade jeweler's type screwdriver, mainly because metric is superior. Go ahead and unscrew the first 3 terminals so the wires can be inserted. You will notice that there is 1 wire with a white stripe on it. That denotes it is V positive. The remaining wires go in order. The middle wire is data, and the last wire is ground. Go ahead and tighten the 3 screws snugly. Check to make sure the wires are securely in the terminal blocks. I usually tug the individual wires a little to check. The last step: insert the barrel connector from the power supply into the corresponding V in receptacle on the controller. Connect the female light pigtail to a jumper or directly to the lights. From here, open the Omni app and continue with the onboarding process.